Today, we are going to be providing an overview of Seton's value range of bund spill pallets. These form a part of Seton's overall spill control range. Our value range of bund spill pallets contain leaks, drips and spills from drums with capacities up to 485 litres. Usable with forklifts, spill containment pallets can be easily transported or relocated for draining. Made of chemical-resistant polyethylene, Seton spill containment pallets are extremely corrosion resistant and come with non-skid grates which are removable for sump inspection and easy cleaning. The moulded-in sump catches leaks, drips and spills to help you comply with regulations and keep storage areas clean and safe while preventing costly cleanups. Spill containment pallets are nestable for storage, increasing usable floor or rack space. They are available in both 2 and 4 drum capacities. All spill containment pallets meet EPA regulations. Seton also has a variety of spill control products in the event of a spill. Some of these include signage, spill kits and refills, waste bags, absorbent rolls, socks and pillows, along with a range of other products. Our spill containment pallets can be shipped Australia-wide. You can rely on Seton Australia for the solution.